Good Monday morning, everyone. I hope you had a fantastic weekend. Today, we're talking about spiritual perception, the biology, the biochemistry behind your connection to the divine, to God, to your spiritual life. And it's called the PPH axis, pineal, pituitary, hypothalamus. This is a portion of your brain called the limbic system. And the limbic system is what neurologists call your emotional centers. See, we get sights, we get sounds, we get the vibrations, we get lights that hit our body, hit our brain, and our body perceives that amount of stress, whether it's good stress or bad stress. This information comes in and the brain goes, can the body handle this much stress coming in at one time? So the pineal, pituitary, hypothalamus acts as a thermostat, just like when you go to your house and you turn up the temperature or turn it down. What can you handle? That's what the brain is doing for you with stress. So the pineal will perceive this vibration. It then sends a signal to the pituitary, and the pituitary starts creating hormones, which then travels into your blood and goes to all your cells in your body and tells them to perform a specific action. The hypothalamus comes on because it stores this information, this memory of the stress that came in. So the pineal is almost like a little alarm system. And the pineal can grow and shrink. You ever see somebody that you know that's been sick or injured for a long time and they don't get the proper nutrition, they don't get the proper food? What do? They lose weight, they shrink up, they don't look so well. The pineal does the same thing if you overwork it with all-day stress, fight or flight syndrome, always chronically worried. It will actually cause the pineal to shrink because it's getting overworked. How can you get it to grow? Research says that prayer and meditation puts you into what we call the Om frequency. It's a theta frequency. It is almost that state where you're in complete surrender and you're in prayer and you're in awareness. They say that in this state, your neurology goes into a parasympathetic. We've talked about that before. Parasympathetic means what? Relaxation. When you're in complete relaxation, you can actually pull away from yourself and become aware of the injuries or the trauma that's in your body. So the more you pray, the more you meditate, the more you get the pineal to strengthen up and grow. And as it grows, it becomes a beacon. It actually can pull in more reception from divine, from the spiritual life. So the more you pray, the more you meditate, you're more to receive information, downloads, that then makes you more aware in your physical, chemical body of the traumas that are sitting in there. And as you open yourself up to theta frequencies, you actually heal tissue. That's how it happens. Pretty interesting, right? So the more you pray, the more you meditate, the more relaxation you have, the more you help this thing to grow. You actually increase your spiritual life just by doing 5 to 10 minutes a day of these simple practices. It'll help you heal physically, biologically, neurology, chemistry. I think I just messed that last word up. I hope you have a great day, guys. Take it easy. See ya.
Beautiful.